INPORSA Mini Drone Foldable Drone with Camera for Kids Beginners, Remote Control Quadcopter Toy with 720p FPV Camera, 1 key takeoff/landing, altitude hold, headless mode, 3D flip, 2 batteries, black. Brand INPORSA. Model 1813. Special feature 360-degree flip, long battery life, first-person view, FPV. Color black. Video capture resolution HD 720p. Connectivity technology FPV transmission. Cover included battery, blade, propeller guard, USB charger. Skill level beginner. Item weight 12 ounces. Battery capacity 800 mAh. See more about this item. FPV HD camera drone. The mini drone is equipped with an adjustable angle 720p HD camera, which can take HD aerial photos and videos through FPV real-time transmission tech. You can enjoy live video on the mobile phone app. Easy flight control for beginners. The mini drone is easily controlled with various functions. 1 key takeoff and altitude hold makes it easier for users to get started.